Hey, it's Kelly Green, y'all. In case you didn't know, my 9-to-5 job is working for a real estate firm in Tennessee. I'm their marketing director. I handle all the social media, the website stuff. I also take the pictures and the video of the new listings, whether it's a house or acreage, land, commercial building. That's what I do. I don't consider myself an awesome videographer or an awesome photographer. I think I'm pretty decent at it. I know just enough to be okay or maybe kind of dangerous. So I thought I'd give you a tip today, or a question you should ask when you get a call and they say, hey, I'm a real estate agent and I want you to bring your drone over to my new listing and I'm gonna pay you to take some pictures and some video. So what's the question you should ask? What's the most important question you should ask that real estate agent when you get that call? Well, the address is important. You're gonna ask that eventually. Yes, the money is always a factor. But the most important question you should ask to make the home look as good as possible is this: what time does the sun hit the front of the home? Because that natural lighting on the front of the house is going to make the pictures and the video look terrific. If the sun's behind the house, you got problems. Let's take a look at a couple of houses I worked on where the sun was directly behind the house and the problems it causes with shadows. Take a look at this. Okay, so here's a house I worked on a few months ago. This is a just slow orbit around the front of the house, but the sun's sitting directly behind it, and you've got that huge shadow right over the front of it. This is 30.54 acres. I'm showing off the land, but again, the sun's right in the face of the drone. Okay, here we are on the back of the house where the sun was hitting it perfectly. Look how it's lighting it up. It looks awesome. The sun's right behind the house. Let's get out of here and we'll take a look at another house that didn't look so good either. Beautiful house, by the way, but you'll notice once the drone drops down, there's a massive shadow on the front of the house. Another reason why this one may not look as great is because I was using a GoPro Karma and a GoPro Hero 5. So what I did was I tried to get under the shadow or inside the shadow to light it up a little bit, and that helps some. There again, you see the giant shadow on the front of the house because the sun's sitting directly behind it. All right, let's take a look at a house where the sun is hitting it just right. You've got those big white fluffy clouds, the blue sky, the sun's facing the house, and there you go. Look how good it looks. Here we are showing off the acreage. It's called the Meadows subdivision. The sun is hitting it just right. Slow orbit around the house. Again, you've got to ask that question, what time does the sun hit the front of the house? Here's one I did just about a month ago, and there you see it again. The sun hitting it just right. The sun plays such a crucial role in going out and getting that video and getting that drone footage and those pictures. And that's just a pullback showing the blooming tree. All right, so it's one question, but it's a crucial question. What time does the sun hit the front of the house? Make sure you ask it when that real estate agent calls and says, hey, can you come take video? Can you come get some drone footage? Can you take some pictures of my brand new listing? And make sure they're not guessing, because I've been burned before where a real estate agent just guesses, oh, I think it hits it at 10 o'clock in the morning, or I think it hits it in the afternoon. Make sure they check with the property owner, because the owner of the property will know exactly what time the sun hits the front of the house to give you the best possible footage. And you'll make some extra money using that drone in real estate. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw today, hit the like button and subscribe as well. See ya.